Me too. I just stood outside today and just stood there with my face to the sun. It felt so good.
It does. And I feel like I'm going to sneeze right now. So
Uh-oh, bless
just
you.
ignore this
Bless
if
you,
I
bless
keep
you.
doing this.
Bless you.
For it.
Oh, let down.
If it would just happen, I would feel so much better.
There it is.
Okay.
Bless you.
I feel better.
I feel better
And
too.
I didn't spew on you, so you're welcome.
Allison was talking to me today, and she's like this close. She did my eyebrows.
Oh, good.
And then she said I needed to spend $23 at Walgreens on eyebrow stuff. And I thought, while she was talking, I thought, oh, literally, $23 isn't bad for eyebrow stuff. But I was confused.
What's the stuff?
Well, no, she needs me to spend $23 at Walgreens so she can get her $10 rewards.
All I need you to do is.
So I was like, I think it would be easier for me just to give you $10 and I'd make 13.
You keep 13 in your pocket and be up.
So anyway,
Still doing it.
bless you.
This could go on for a while. When I sneeze, I go in a row.
This close to my face, she spit on me, talking like she got excited because we laugh a lot when she does. I kept moving my eyebrows, which apparently you're not supposed to do while someone's drawing them in. So I wiped it off, and she was like, "Oh, it's so tasty. It's like pancakes and chai tea."
Chai tea.
Yeah. It's like, you're disgusting.
Oh man,
so disgusting. Yeah, I'm just glad it didn't go in my mouth. Seriously, bless you.
what else
Takes a
out
while.
there? Allergens. Allergens and out there.